You're home.
If I go to sleep now, will you still be here when I wake up?
The sleepy paws snuggled deep into the warm blanket. There you go, my little sleepy paws. Time for dreams now.
The moon smiled down on the cozy little room, and the kitten, warm in his bed. I'm here, don't be afraid.
Eyes, safe in his father's embrace.
Now the moon is shining bright. Time to close.